In this video, we'll be showing you how to easily inspect and edit objects in your design with the Inspector panel. The Inspector panel is a great time-saving feature to take advantage of when you find yourself needing to make the same edits to multiple objects in your design. Rather than changing each object one at a time, we can quickly target all objects and edit the common property instantly. Let's begin by looking through our schematic design. All this extra text next to our symbol names makes our design look cluttered and hard to review. Let's fix this by hiding the text. First, we'll right-click any component and select Find Similar Objects. This will open the Find Similar Objects panel, where we can specify our search criteria to find other similarly related objects in our design. Since we want to select all parts in all open documents, we'll check the box for Select Matching and choose Open Documents in the drop-down box. With our search criteria set, let's select OK to bring up the results. The Inspector panel now opens, with all the selected parts in all of our open documents targeted. To remove the text next to our schematic symbols, let's double-click the Part Comment field under the Object Specific section. This will get us into the Part Comment properties. Since we want to hide the text, all we have to do is select the Hide checkbox. Now that our desired changes are complete, we can close out the Inspector panel and review our schematic. As we can see, it's much easier to analyze our schematic without all of the text clutter.